Welcome back to Manage Money. Today, I will show you how you can make $1,500 per week. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos. As you can observe, I've been consistently generating payments ranging from 100 to over 300 on a daily basis. In today's video, I aim to introduce a fresh copy and paste formula that has the potential to earn you over $1,500 per week, absolutely free of charge. All you need to do is replicate and paste the provided template, which I will share at the end of this video. Please show your support by giving this video a like, and let's get started. The first step involves visiting a website where I've been receiving these daily payments of 100, 200, and even 300. The website is called addcreative.ai, and its URL is the same. It serves as an AI builder for ad creatives, functioning as an artificial intelligence tool to assist you in creating various ad creatives for different brands and platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Interestingly, this website is a partner with Google and Facebook, offering a bonus of 500 Google Ads vouchers upon sign-up. However, we won't be using these credits, and you don't need to create any ads. Moving on to step 2, scroll to the bottom of the website and click on the affiliate section. On the affiliate page, you'll discover that by bringing in just 10 people, you can earn over $700 per month. If you manage to bring in 100 referrals, your monthly earnings can exceed $7,000, translating to more than $1,500 per week. In the next few minutes, I'll demonstrate how to attract 100 people to the site completely free of charge. An appealing aspect of this method is that it comes with additional bonuses, offering you thousands of dollars as you continue to bring in more users to the website. If you bring in around 100 people, they will reward you with a $1,000 bonus in addition to the $7,400 commission. Now, if you employ this method for the next 2 or 3 days, spending just 20 minutes per day, you can easily earn $700 per month or even a couple of $1,000 per week. For step number 3, simply sign up as an affiliate by clicking on the Become a Partner button here. It will redirect you to an external affiliate program hosted on a website called partnerstack.com. To create an account, start by entering your email ID in the provided box and click on the Continue button. On the next page, provide some basic information and click on Create Account. Once your account is created and you log in, it will look something like this. Now on the home page, select the Ad Creative program from the various programs you may be promoting. On this Ad Creative affiliate page, I want you to click on the Links option on the left-hand side. Now, leave this page open like that and come back to this website's homepage. Here, click on Get 500 Free Google Ads Credit Auction. It will take you to this page where, if you scroll down and read, you will find step-by-step instructions on how to obtain the 500 free Google Ads credit. Copy the URL from the top bar, return to partnerstack.com and paste your copied URL in the box labeled Redirect to Optional. Your custom referral link will then say something like 500 voucher. Simply click on the Create button under this, and this will be our custom affiliate link. Instead of directing to the main page that solely sells the software, this affiliate link will also highlight the 500 voucher offer. Now, for step number 4, I will show you how to use Google to literally acquire thousands of targeted leads and people who will sign up through your affiliate link, allowing you to make around $1,500 per week. Before we dive into the method, please take a moment to like this video and help us reach 1,000 likes. Okay, let's get started. First, head over to Google and search for something specific like a local business. Add quotation marks and include @gmail.com within them. For example, let's use barber as the local business. Perform the search and Google will display various results with barbers and their Gmail accounts. You don't need to manually go through each result as that would be time-consuming. Instead, simply press Ctrl and U on your keyboard to reveal the underlying code. Click Ctrl and A to select all the code, then Ctrl and C to copy it. Now, navigate to the website extractemailaddress.com. This tool will help you extract email addresses from the search results code page. Paste the copied text into the designated box, and it will extract all the email addresses from the search results. Here's the exciting part. You can customize your search by specifying the location, such as barber in New York or barber in Texas. Perform the search, repeat the process of revealing and copying the code, Ctrl+U, Ctrl+A, Ctrl+C, and paste it into the box on the website. This way, you can collect numerous email addresses based on different locations. Explore various searches and gather as many emails as you need. After collecting 10 to 20 emails, proceed to Google and search for replace lines with commas. Click on the first link, which will lead you to a specific page. Paste the gathered email addresses into the left box. For the purpose of this video, I'm demonstrating with a few, but you can scale this process to include thousands of different email addresses. Ensure to remove the little dots at the end of each email address, as this is a minor software glitch that includes the dot. Now, observe the right side box where all your emails are displayed with commas. For step number 5, copy the entire list from the right box. Open your Gmail account, locate the To field, and select BCC in this box. Paste all the recipients' email addresses into this field. You'll see the total number of emails populated. The beauty of this method is that you can repeat this process across multiple pages of Google search results. After navigating through the first, second, third, and fourth pages, you can accumulate thousands of targeted leads. The crucial aspect of sending out these emails is to ensure you use the BCC blind carbon copy field. By doing so, each recipient will receive the email individually. Using the CC carbon copy option would reveal to everyone that it's a mass email sent to multiple people. BCC maintains the personal touch, making it seem like you are emailing each person individually. Now, it's essential to craft a compelling email. When using the email template I've provided, remember to add your affiliate link. Simply copy and paste the subject line into the appropriate field and then do the same for the body of the email. This script is designed to convert well, making your outreach more effective. In a moment, we'll send this email to the targeted leads you've gathered. Now you can find the email template link in the video description. You can simply copy and paste it. However, ensure that you enter your affiliate link and use this custom one because the entire email is created around this $500 advertising coupon. Copy your custom affiliate link from here, go to your email, and then click right here where it says simply click on this link. Select this entire line, and this is where you want to add your affiliate link. Click on the Insert Link option, paste your link in this box, and press the OK button. Then make it bold just like this. Similarly, the second link is right here. Highlight it again, add your custom affiliate link from the Insert option, and make it bold as well. In the email, I am telling people that they can actually get a $500 voucher, and when they get it, you will receive an affiliate commission. That's it for today. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.